How to update Need for Speed. Hey racers, nothing bugs or missing new features. Here's how to update Need for Speed on your phone in just a few seconds. Let's get started. From the home screen of your mobile phone, you have to head on to the App Store, which is a big A logo on its application. Tap on it. In this interface, you have to tap onto the top right corner, your profile icon to view all the app updates. Tap on it. Scroll down to find Need for Speed. If any update is available, you will see an update button next to it. So let's search Need for Speed. As you can see, the update is not available here, so we cannot find Need for Speed. In case, if you guys need an update, you look at your Need for Speed on here and you just have to simply tap on update and wait a few seconds while it downloads and installs. And there you have it. You are updated and ready to race with the latest features of Need for Speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.